Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are going to be making a hummus that's one of our favorite kinds, and it's called Ginger-Wasabi Edemame hummus. And it's in the Engine 2 cookbook on page 66. And what is so cool about this hummus is it's packed with flavor, but the foundation of it is edamame, which is the soybeans, not chickpeas. So if you're following along with us, let's make this flavorful. It's like having...
Each one of these ingredients is so good alone, and then think of combining them all. Whoa!
And it tastes a lot like you're having, we call it sushi, but we nori. Start? Yeah, the foundation. Yeah, foundation is edamame, and you know, for any hummus you want to have. For any hummus, you want to have a bean. That's good. You want to have a bean-based like black beans or chickpeas or whatever. And then we're going to add in. Don't worry about cleaning up. We're making a hot mess anyway. We're going to add our pickled ginger in, and this is what gives it such great flavors. This pickled ginger. I'm going to get the rest. From far away, our Wade was saying, "Looks like you guys are working with shrimp." This is pickled ginger. It is beautiful. It's finely shredded. The first time I had it, I thought someone was serving me ham. And then we're going to put in 2 cloves of garlic and a 1/4 cup of water and
some sesame seeds
and some lemon juice.
What about these?
We're going to get there. I'm just trying to go in the order of if people are following along, I want to go in the order of the book. I need a hint more of... Sometimes I take the pulp. Okay, after the lemon, we're going to add in some wasabi powder. And I just used it for the lemon, so it's going to be wet, my bad. And the wasabi powder is hot. So you're going to want to add, we recommend between 1.5 and 3 tablespoons, depending upon your
3 would be shocking.
Your call. 1.5 to 3. If you love wasabi and just that heat, I mean, it is like sinuses on fire heat. How would you describe it? That's good.
That's enough. Let's try that.
And 1.5, I know is good. Like that's 1.5 gives it flavor. 3 gives it heat.
Nose problems.
Yeah, nose problems. So the water's in there.
What about this?
Sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Go in. Yep.
Now.
Perfect. Okie doke. And then, you know, like any hummus recipe, it is the consistency is your call. Add more water if you want it to be thinner, or if you want it to be thicker, add less water to begin with. We need our tovolo. Oh, I've got a different one. Here. All right, I'm going to scrape down. Oh, there it is. There it is. Again, we need to have our tovolo holsters.
Do we need to? Is that thin enough? I mean,
let's keep beating it up. It keeps sticking.
And this will taste so good on your rye crackers.
Yeah, we just recently made rye crackers, so we have some. Actually, they're over there. You want to get them? We can try that. That'd be great. Good call. And this is getting smoother and smoother as I keep pushing it down. Can we add like a tablespoon more water? Because this is a little thick. It's coming out a little bit thicker for what? Thank you. And a little goes a long way, so let's hope that gets it to where. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, can you see this from above? Yeah, it's this beautiful bright green and creamy. Oh, I just love this. All right, what container should we put it in? What do you think? What do you think?
This one.
Which one?
This little one right here.
All right, so we're going to show you how handsome this dish is and give it a taste. Wade, do you want to taste this?
Sure.
It's so good.
Looks good.
It is really good. Okay, so this And you're gonna have it on a rye crisp cracker. Here you go.
Woo!
Hope it's hot enough for you. Oh, I know you like your heat.
Oh yeah. All right, I'm just
Oh,
going for all
wow.
of it.
Oh, the edamame was cold, so this is
Ooh.
cold. It has so much good flavor.
It has so much flavor with the sweet and the.
Sweet from.
Ooh. Wow. Oh, this is extraordinarily good. I can't imagine. Oh my goodness.
You've had it a million times.
Woo!
I would say it's like better than guac. Like it's just.
Oh, this is
good.
better than.
He just says
I
it's better
agree.
than guac.
Yeah.
I
It's
agree.
more interesting than guac in a way.
Yeah.
More interesting, yeah. All right. Hey,
I want more of that than I do cracker.
well here,
Oh my gosh.
make your own ginger-wasabi edamame hummus. It sounds like it's a mouthful, but when you have a mouthful, you realize you need all those titles because the ginger brings that pickled sweetness, and then the wasabi, a little heat, and the edamame, that bright green, yummy, yummy, yummy.
This is amazing. Truly amazing.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye.